How to automate tasks on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll show you how to automate tasks on your Windows PC using scripting and third-party tools. Automating repetitive tasks can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started. First of all, open Task Scheduler. Click on the Start menu and type Task Scheduler in the search bar and press Enter. In the Text Scheduler window, click on Create Basic Tasks in the right pane. Enter a name and description for your task, then click Next. Choose when you want the task to start, daily, weekly, or monthly, and select Next. Set the specific time and date for the trigger, then click Next. Select Start a Program and click Next. Browse to the program or script you want to run and click Next. Review your settings and click Finish to create the tasks. You can also use PowerShell to write scripts to automate tasks. Or you can use third-party tools such as AutoHotkey. And that's it. Now you know how to automate tasks on your Windows using Task Scheduler or PowerShell scripts or third-party tools like AutoHotkey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.